It's very, very painful to talk about transparency and the whole thing about crisis management and the damage that can be there if people don't follow the right principles. Does more discredit to the whole institution, not just one, but the whole group. I am Bishop Joseph Mwongela from the Catholic Diocese of Kitui in Kenya, which is in East Africa. People feeling, is it really possible? How can we do all these things that we want to do? But mainly especially having the parish audits and institutional audits, putting structures in place, having financial systems, getting experts, advisors to put all these things in place, like our finance committee, which has the competent people, our Caritas board, the board of consultants, our staff, buying to the idea, because we must grow and it is where we are and work well. People love openness and this kind of transparency, and when we have shown people that the church doesn't have enough funds, they have always come in to help so that we grow together. There's a lot that needs to be done. We need to learn the best practices, corporate governance in the church. It was wonderful meeting even staff from the Vatican itself on the Council of Economy and the patrimony of the Holy See, and telling us the things are put in place are very advanced ways, tracking income and expenditure for good governance. We try to institutionalize all these practices and put it into our DNA, that we have the capacity to make things work the way they should be. These are practices which we are trying to do in our diocese, involving everyone, that we may work together for a transparent church, so in financial management and all other aspects of our life, so that we can be seen to be credible. The church which is holy, the church is trying to put everything in place, and that we may be true witnesses